It is time for Random Art Challenge number 3. All right, let's see what kind of medium I'm gonna be working in. Oh boy. Oh, okay. Graphite. It's been a while. Let's see what style I get. Two-dimensional art. Okay. Interesting. 2D graphite art. Let's see, required color. So I have to incorporate a color into this piece of graphite art. Oh, grab 2. Dusty rose. Okay. I like that color. Dusty rose, piece of graphite art. Interesting. Okay. That could go different ways, getting ideas. But now subject matter. Oh, what subject am I gonna do? Ooh! Cut gems. Nice. Okay, that could be interesting. I kind of want to choose another subject matter, just because I'm feeling crazy. So let's try another one to add in the mix with cut gems. Oh boy, am I gonna kick myself over this or not? Oh, okay. 30 minutes. This is gonna be a quick one. Oh, this is a good challenge. I forgot about this, that I put this in with the subject matter, but this is a good challenge. Okay, so I have to do a piece of graphite work, incorporate the color Dusty Rose, subject matter is cut gems, and I have to do it within 30 minutes. All right, speed round. Well, it wouldn't really be a challenge if it was easy, right? All right, I'm just about to set the timer and get started. I did not have Dusty Rose paper, but I did have some Arches board, and so I just coated it with some Dusty Rose acrylic paint in a wash. And if you don't have Dusty Rose paint lying around, just mix pink and brown, and this is what you'll get. I kind of like the textured surface. I think this paper has a really good tooth to it. It's got some good texture. It will really take the graphite well, I think. I'm going to be using a Derwent Sketching water-soluble graphite pencil. So this is graphite that actually works like watercolor. You draw with it, and then you can use your Japanese watercolor brush. This is a watercolor brush that has the water in the brush. Can you see that? And it's, this is so wonderful for travel. I use this when I do plein air painting, when I take trips. And then of course I have my eraser stick. This is so handy because I always end up burning out the erasers in all my mechanical pencils. So this works like a pen or a mechanical pencil. Ta-da! And it gets longer, and it lasts a really long time. I started with a sketch. So my idea is sort of a vintage Victorian style advertisement for like a business. I like hand lettering. I think this is something that's achievable within the 30-minute time frame. And I will illustrate a few little cut gems off to the side. I got inspired. I went into my own stash of gems and had a look at them, and just to see how the cuts are on each gem and how they catch the light. So I may add a few little details there. So, all right, let's set the 30-minute timer and get cracking. Alright, so not too shabby for a solid 30 minutes of work. This, I'm sure those of you caught that I had initially misspelled jewelry and had to erase my L and replace it with an R. Well, that's what I get for starting in the center, for figuring out how the letters would go. But it's not too bad. Not too bad for 30 minutes of work. I think I might spend a couple more minutes with this and maybe refine it a little more, but this was a really fun challenge. So maybe I'll hang this up on my wall somewhere or in my studio, because I enjoy my gems. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, Nicole's Creative Life, if you want to follow along in my random art challenges. So I couldn't keep my hands off of it, and I spent about another 30 minutes adding some gold accents and white paint accents. Ah, sweet. Thanks for watching.